Attention. The National Weather Service has issued a warning for a meteorological event. This warning is effective immediately and will continue until sunrise tomorrow morning.
Mom?
At this time, please secure all possible entrances to your home and stay away from all windows and doors. Do not attempt to investigate any light outside your home. Do not attempt to investigate any noise which may emanate from outside your home.
Mom?
Do not respond to any knocks on your windows or doors until the all clear is given. Remain silent at all times. Do not attempt to interact with anyone outside of your home. If you see any unidentified figure inside your home or from the corner of your eyes, do not attempt to investigate.
Mom?
Do not look at any mirrors or reflective surfaces. Remain calm at all times. Should any member of your family go missing, do not attempt to search for them. This message will repeat until the all clear is given. Attention. The National Weather Service has issued a warning for a meteorological event.
Yes?
Immediately and will continue until sunrise tomorrow morning.
Okay, sweetheart. Downstairs. Come downstairs. Come downstairs.
Do not respond to any knocks on your windows or doors until the all clear is given. Remain silent at all times. Do not attempt to interact with anyone outside of your home. If you see any unidentified figure inside your home or from... At this time, the weather advisory has been lifted. Come out, it is safe.
Honey, are you in there?
Mom?
Yeah, sweetheart, it's me. I love you. You don't have to be scared. It's all over now. You can come out now.
I can't see you. Mom?
Come out, it is safe.